Hey guys, this is NJ. Today we'll talk about chironomy little bit in detail. So like the way you people know that chironomy is the study of the structure of your hand, which tells a great deal about the personality traits of an individual, and learning palmistry via Vedic way, which gives emphasis on three layers of understanding a palm. First being the darshanam, where you see the hand, and on the basis of the structure of the hand, length of the fingers, broadness of the palm and other traits, you come to conclusion. Then comes the second part, which is sparshanam, where you touch and feel and determine certain qualities of an individual. Then comes the last part, which is the rekha vimarshanam, where you on the basis of the lines and marking of your hand, you do an analysis and you get to know about the person. So studying, we have already discussed the first part of Vedic way of learning learning palmistry, which being the darshanam. And now comes the second part, which is sparshanam. So when you touch the palm, you get to know the energy level of an individual. So that thing can be also described as the consistency of the hands, or the consistency of the hand and the color of the hands. Though different palms have different kind of resistance towards the pressure which is being exerted on them. So on the basis of that, it can be classified into three categories. First being the flabby hand, second being the firm hand, third being the hard hand. So the flabby hand is the hand where you will find the more of the fat content compared to the muscle content. So you know, this hand has no resistance towards the pressure. Rather, you could just even pull the little bit of the skin of the palm from your fingers. So these hand belongs to those people who indulge in the material comforts, luxury and all the worldly amenities. So that belongs to the this is how we can describe the flabby hand. Now comes the second category of the hand, which is the firm hand. Here you would find equal good amount of resistance towards the pressure which is being exerted on the hand. Like the way this is my another hand. Just to check the consistency of this palm, I put a pressure on it. So how this skin exert its resistance towards this external pressure, that would determine to be the state of the category of the palm. So the second category is the firm hand, where there is an equal amount of resistance towards the pressure. So these kind of firm hand belongs to those individuals who are very action oriented, vigor and full of energy. Now comes the third part, which belongs to the people where you no matter how strongly or how hardly you are touching the palm, but you are not able to just get little bit a single layer down into the, or able to press the skin of the palm. So these hard hand belongs to those people who are bit rough and bit obstinate in their dealings. It's like you would just can't even think about getting your work done by these people out of force. So these people are like bit rough and bit adamant in their attitude towards life. This is how they like they spend their and express their energy in the outer world. So we have discussed that, and I hope you found this video informational. For more notification and more videos on this, on palmistry, please subscribe my channel and like my Facebook page. Thanks.